Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on enhancing emotional intelligence. In today's dynamic world, emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in personal and professional success. Whether you are navigating social interactions, managing stress, or fostering healthier relationships, developing emotional intelligence is key to thriving in diverse environments. Step 1. Understanding the importance of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a cornerstone of personal and professional success in today's interconnected world. It encompasses the ability to recognize, understand, and manage both our own emotions and those of others. The importance of emotional intelligence lies in its profound impact on various aspects of life, from navigating social interactions to excelling in leadership roles. Individuals with high emotional intelligence are better equipped to navigate complex social dynamics, communicate effectively, and build strong relationships. They possess a keen awareness of their own emotions, allowing them to regulate their responses in challenging situations and make sound decisions. Moreover, they demonstrate empathy and understanding towards others, fostering trust and collaboration in both personal and professional settings. In the workplace, emotional intelligence is highly valued as it enhances teamwork, conflict resolution, and leadership effectiveness. Leaders with high emotional intelligence are adept at inspiring and motivating their teams, creating a positive work environment conducive to productivity and innovation. Outside of work, emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in personal relationships, helping individuals form deeper connections and resolve conflicts amicably. It enables them to empathize with others' perspectives, communicate assertively, and maintain healthy boundaries. Overall, understanding the importance of emotional intelligence empowers individuals to cultivate this essential skill set, leading to greater resilience, well-being, and success in all aspects of life. Step 2. Cultivating self-awareness and self-regulation. Self-awareness and self-regulation are foundational pillars of emotional intelligence, crucial for personal growth and well-being. Cultivating these skills enables individuals to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, fostering greater self-understanding and emotional balance. Self-awareness involves recognizing and understanding one's own emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. It entails introspection and reflection, allowing individuals to gain insight into their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. By becoming more attuned to their inner world, individuals can make informed decisions, manage stress more effectively, and build healthier relationships. Self-regulation, on the other hand, is the ability to control and manage one's emotions, impulses, and reactions. It involves exercising restraint in the face of challenging situations, responding thoughtfully rather than reactively. Through self-regulation, individuals can avoid impulsive decisions, regulate their moods, and maintain a sense of calm amidst adversity. Cultivating self-awareness and self-regulation requires practice and mindfulness. Individuals can develop self-awareness by engaging in activities such as journaling, meditation, or seeking feedback from trusted sources. These practices facilitate introspection and self-discovery, enhancing emotional insight and self-understanding. Step 3. Developing empathy and social skills. In the realm of emotional intelligence, empathy and social skills play pivotal roles in fostering meaningful connections and navigating interpersonal dynamics effectively. Developing these skills enables individuals to forge deeper relationships, communicate more authentically, and navigate social situations with finesse and sensitivity. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, allowing individuals to connect on a deeper emotional level. It involves putting oneself in another person's shoes, acknowledging their perspective, and responding with compassion and understanding. By cultivating empathy, individuals can build trust, strengthen relationships, and foster a sense of belonging and connection. Social skills encompass a range of abilities that facilitate effective communication and interaction with others. These skills include active listening, verbal and nonverbal communication, conflict resolution, and teamwork. Developing strong social skills empowers individuals to express themselves clearly, navigate conflicts constructively, and collaborate effectively in diverse social settings. To develop empathy, individuals can practice active listening, perspective taking, and compassionate communication. Engaging in meaningful conversations, seeking to understand others' experiences, and practicing empathy in everyday interactions can foster a deeper sense of connection and understanding. Similarly, honing social skills involves actively engaging in social situations, seeking feedback and refining communication techniques. By observing social cues, adapting communication styles, and practicing assertiveness and empathy, individuals can enhance their ability to navigate social interactions with confidence and grace. Ultimately, developing empathy and social skills enhances emotional intelligence, enriching personal relationships and professional interactions alike. Step 4. Practicing mindfulness and stress management. In the journey of enhancing emotional intelligence, practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques plays a crucial role in fostering self-awareness, resilience, and overall well-being. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, observing thoughts and feelings without judgment, and cultivating a sense of inner calm and clarity. By incorporating mindfulness into daily life, individuals can develop a greater awareness of their thoughts and emotions. This heightened awareness enables them to respond to stressors more effectively rather than reacting impulsively. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and body scans can help individuals regulate their emotions, reduce stress levels, and cultivate a greater sense of inner peace and balance. Additionally, stress management techniques empower individuals to cope with life's challenges in healthy and adaptive ways. This may involve identifying sources of stress, developing coping strategies, and prioritizing self-care activities. By practicing techniques such as time management, relaxation techniques, and seeking social support, individuals can effectively manage stress and prevent it from negatively impacting their mental and physical well-being. Moreover, mindfulness and stress management complement each other, creating a synergistic effect that enhances emotional resilience and overall psychological health. By integrating mindfulness practices with stress management techniques, individuals can develop a more resilient mindset, navigate challenges with greater ease, and cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner peace. Step 5. Seeking continuous learning and growth. In the pursuit of enhancing emotional intelligence, seeking continuous learning and growth is paramount for personal development and resilience. Continuous learning involves actively seeking out opportunities to acquire new knowledge, skills, and perspectives, while growth entails embracing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for self-improvement and development. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning, individuals can expand their emotional intelligence by deepening their understanding of themselves and others. This may involve reading books, attending workshops, or enrolling in courses that focus on topics such as emotional regulation, interpersonal communication, and conflict resolution. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted mentors, peers, or coaches can provide valuable insights into areas for growth and development. Furthermore, embracing growth requires individuals to step outside their comfort zones and confront their fears and limitations. This may involve taking on new responsibilities, pursuing ambitious goals, or facing difficult emotions head-on. By embracing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth, individuals can develop resilience, adaptability, and perseverance in the face of adversity. Step 6. Fostering healthy relationships and boundaries. Fostering healthy relationships and boundaries is vital for enhancing emotional intelligence and maintaining overall well-being. Healthy relationships provide a supportive environment where individuals feel respected, understood, and valued. They offer opportunities for emotional connection, mutual growth, and shared experiences that contribute to a sense of belonging and fulfillment. Establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries is equally important in fostering healthy relationships. Boundaries define the limits of acceptable behavior and protect individuals' physical, emotional, and psychological well-being. By clearly communicating their boundaries and respecting others' boundaries, individuals can create a sense of safety, trust, and mutual respect within their relationships. Conclusion: enhancing emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey that empowers us to navigate life's challenges with resilience, empathy, and authenticity. By understanding the importance of emotional intelligence, cultivating self-awareness, empathy, and social skills, practicing mindfulness and stress management, seeking continuous learning and growth, and fostering healthy relationships and boundaries, we can lead more fulfilling and meaningful lives. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and emotional intelligence. Share your experiences with enhancing emotional intelligence in the comments below, and remember, with dedication and self-reflection, you can cultivate greater emotional intelligence and lead a more fulfilling life. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.